right, we're here at the EPCOT International Festival of the Arts, and Lorcana is a big part of this festival this year. So let's go learn what it's all about. Hi, thank you. All right, so this is the free Lorcana Quest booklet that you can pick up here at the EPCOT International Festival of the Arts. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So when you open it up, you have all the information about your quests here. But what you do get as well is you get a little sticker sheet and a free pack of booster cards. So let's take a look first at the quest booklet itself. So we have at the beginning here, it's going to show you the 3 cards that you can get. All right, so now we have our free booster pack of cards. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. These are going to be different for for different collectors, so they're randomly assigned. So here are the cards that we have here. We have Honey Marin, we have Cheshire Cat, we have Calhoun, we have Razoo, Penny the Orphan, the Queen of Hearts, Perla, Ruby Coil, it's an item card. We have Helga Sinclair, Elsa, nice little Elsa card there. Show Me More, it's an action card. And then all the packs come with a special rarity card, which is like a special foil card here, and I got Beast. They also come with this card here, which is, put these together, they form a picture if you find all of those cards. So as part of the Lorcana questing today, you have to do a scavenger hunt. If you do a scavenger hunt, you get that the little Rapunzel card there on the booklet. In order to do that, you have to go around. It's like a lot of the other scavenger hunts at the festivals. You have to go around and you have to find the different items out there in the wild around EPCOT. And in this case, it's going to be giant cards. Let's take a look. We found one right here in World Celebration. So we have that big Mickey Mouse card right there. So what we're going to have to do is match the symbol on the card with the location in the little booklet. I could do that, so you get this little sticker pack in your booklet. And it looks like it's going to be the green one with the little diamond thingy. So we're going to do that. We're going to grab that sticker and we're going to put it right in the World Celebration spot here. Look at that, fits right there. Done. Done. Look at that. We're on our way to a free card. Let's do it. We have found our next Lorcana card. It is here in China, and it is Mulan, the elite archer. So we're going to take a look and place our sticker appropriately. There we go. 2 down, rest to go. All right, we found the next card here in Germany. It is none other than Rapunzel right here, the gifted artist. So that means we get to place another sticker. There we go. All right, let's continue going around the showcase. Another Lorcana card. It is a giant Baymax card. So let's add another sticker. This one has 2 little symbols on it, green and blue. We'll get those placed. Perfect. A little bit off, but that's fine. No one, they'll still give me the card. All right, this is where all the magic happens right here. The Lumineers Lounge. This is, we're gonna go inside. We got a stack of cards. We got a quest book. I still need to trade for some cards. Hopefully we can make that happen inside the lounge. Let's go in and see. Well, I just traded for 3 cards that I need out of the 4, so we are well on our way to getting this Quest collection card, yeah. All right, we're gonna check out the trading board right here. We have a card trading board. You gotta trade, so now do you have to trade for the same symbol,
Yes,
like in
the
that
same
row?
rarity.
Okay. All right, so can I trade this one for the Fix-It Felix?
Let's see. Oh, absolutely.
All right, there you go. It's as easy as that. Look at that. Behold, another giant Lorcana card out in the wild. This one featuring Belle, the Accomplished Mystic. So we are going to add another sticker to our little book, and we are one step closer to a free Lorcana card. Look what I found. It's a giant Lorcana card right here in the UK. It is featuring Tinkerbell, the giant fairy. And so we're going to find her little symbol. We are going to place it on our map. And that is it for the countries. Look at that. Now we just have to find all those. Let's do it. We are in the World Nature section of EPCOT, and I am on the lookout for giant Lorcana cards right there. Look at that. I found one. Go figure. It is Grammatala, Spirit of the Ocean. So we will stick another sticker on here. World Nature, but that means there's another one somewhere lurking around in the shadows. Will we find it? Will we find it? I don't know. It's way over here. Let's go, let's go. Look at that, that makes sense. They put Ariel right next to the Living Seas. Let's put another sticker down. Oh yeah, only 2 left. Let's go to World Discovery. All right, World Discovery time. Let's see if we can find these final 2 cards. I have already spotted one. It is right over here, and we're gonna cut in front of him and walk this way, and it is none other than Wreck-It Ralph. So we're gonna add another sticker to our book. We have 1 sticker left. Now it is somewhere here in World Discovery. Let's see if I can spot it from here. My Lorcana giant card spotting skills have been very sharp today. Ooh, ooh. I think I spot the final Lorcana card that I'm looking for. It is tucked way in this corner near mission space. Let's go over and see who it is. It is none other than Stitch. Look at that, rocking out. He's having a good time over here near mission space. Of course, because he's an alien, right? So put him next to mission space, why not? So this is Rockstar Stitch, and he is our final sticker.
That's also the card you get when you buy it.
It is, isn't it? Look at the perfect one to end on. And now we have a full sticker sheet. Let's go redeem it. All right, we're in the Odyssey right now. It is time to redeem these cards. So we got these 4 cards. Jebediah, you were a tough one, but we found you. And those match up to the 4 cards in my quest book. All we have to do is go turn them in, and then we will get that Donald card. We have also completed the scavenger hunt. We turn the scavenger hunt in, and we get the Rapunzel card right there. So let's go do that. I'm gonna redeem. Let's see. We got those 4 cards. And yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Rapunzel and Donald Duck. So those are the 2 cards that we redeemed. Rapunzel for the scavenger hunt and Donald Duck for the card collection quest. We did it! We got our cards! Now let's go play.